Ukrainian troops are attacking Russians using pickup trucks mounted with US-made automatic grenade launchers, emulating a tactic used by the British SAS. The Pantsir-mobile, which can fire 60 rounds per minute, is nicknamed after the Second World War anti-Soviet Ukrainian nationalist leader, Stepan Bandera, reviled by many Russians. The General Staff of Ukraine's armed forces said that the vehicle, which is already in operation, was a nightmare for the invading forces. "Together we will win," it said in a post on its Facebook account, publishing pictures of the adapted Nissan pickups. Ukrainian military sources said that volunteers from around the world were donating second-hand pickups for use by the country's defense forces. Troops have mounted some of the vehicles with American Mk-19 belt-fed grenade launchers. The Bandera-mobiles take their name from Stepan Bandera, the fiercely anti-Soviet Ukrainian nationalist leader who fought for Ukrainian independence during the 1930s and 40s. A post on the General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine's Facebook page called the tricked-out Nissan trucks an occupier's nightmare. Some of the pickups feature Mk-19 grenade launchers, first developed for use during the Vietnam War, that can fire a 40mm round up to an effective range of 1 mile. The weapon is still in use with US Special Operations Forces and has been mounted onto vehicles in previous conflicts, including by the British Special Air Service in the First Gulf War in 1991. Russian troops have also reportedly used mounted machine guns on pickup trucks since invading Ukraine in February. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comments section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.